Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video but I find it very interesting. Yesterday they brought us a van, an Opel Combo 1300 CDT engine. The engine failure light came on and the owner he brought it to the workshop. It turns out that while maneuvering in a construction zone, he hit a rock with the crankcase cover and immediately the engine failure light came on, and he noticed that the engine was losing power, so he came with the van to the workshop. The turbo, of course, was not working. We put it into the diagnosis machine, and we got this error. P0238, high circuit of turbocharger boost sensor A, supercharger. This refers, basically, to what a problem with the map sensor. But notice, in this case, nothing was wrong with the map sensor, but look what had happened. Why that engine failure light came on. Now you are going to see the cause. There you see with the impact it had against the rock, the intercooler radiator was damaged. There you can also see that it is full of oil. By the way, you can see how it has splashed. Here it was easy to see it. There it can be seen better. You see all the oil is leaking out there, only air should come out of there. But what's happening? Since this intercooler is so loaded with oil, it was leaking oil. That was what gave us the clue that the problem it came from there. There you see, the intercooler radiator. There you can clearly see the impact that hit the rock. It damaged it enough for that engine failure to appear. Here we solve the failure by changing the intercooler radiator, putting in a new one. Normally, when the intercooler has a knock, that causes a loss of air that goes to the intake. In many cases, failures usually occur in the MAF sensor, flow meter, P0101, P0100, P0103. Normally, but in this case, you have already seen that the fault that has appeared is P0238, which refers to the map sensor. As I say, nothing is wrong with the map sensor, but of course, the ECU, which is the car's computer, detects among the data it gives it the MAF sensor, for the airflow inlet, and the map sensor for the pressure of that air in the intake, because it has recognized that something did not match, and then that is why the engine failure light illuminates, and the engine it is protected, and then it disconnects the turbo. Here, as I said, it was changing the intercooler radiator and the problem has already been solved. The fault has been erased, the engine fault light has gone out and its power has already recovered. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.